Today I'm inside on the balcony because it snowed, as you can see, and tomorrow is actually 1st of May. And as I don't have any greenhouse, I have my plants inside on the balcony and in my windowsills to get them started. And here I have some red currant, which I just planted some sticks from a red currant tree last fall, and they have been standing outside here all winter, and they started sprouting this spring, so that's brilliant. And these two in the front here is borage, which I planted from the seeds from my plant last year. I think I planted about 10-15 seeds and just 2 came up. And then I have a bunch of Aesop plants here, which I'm going to make a little experiment and see if I can make like a little hedge out of them. And in here I have carrots, and they will stay inside, they're not going out. And these 2 pots here with stuff in it is that's comfrey actually, which I planted last summer and thinking that they would come up, which they didn't, of course. They need the cold winter before they will sprout, so they've been in there for about a year. And in these newspaper pots there are some more of the same, the comfrey, and some of the Maximilian sunflower, which also needs a cold phase to sprout, so we'll see if they come up next year. And in the back here I have some brassica, some green cabbage. And in the shallow cooking dish there's a mixture of feverfew and valerian, which is from Colette O'Neill in Ireland. And some more red currant, and some leeks, and some more leeks. And these are nasturtiums, which are ready to go outside. But yeah, they have to wait a little bit more. And another red currant there. And then, yeah, this is actually beach cabbage, which is quite interesting. It's the first time I try this, and they came up brilliantly. So, yes, and then on here I have. These are actually apple trees, tiny apple trees, planted from seed this early this spring. And then I have some calendula coming up here. Yes, and on the other side I have here some chives and some oregano in the bottom. And then I have a long, it's actually an apple tree that I planted last year, but I don't think it survived. It was left in water because it's standing under like a dripping point in the roof. So it rained quite heavily once, and I didn't notice that it was standing in water. So that's probably dead. Yeah. And then let's go and look in the windowsills. So this is the kitchen, and you can see the garden project outside. And here I have, in the front here is some more of the cabbage, green cabbage, which needs to be repotted slowly, I see. And then I have some onions. And then I have my tomato project here. These are planted from seed. And I don't have any extra lighting or anything for them. So I will see if that works at all. And then I have some more of the nasturtiums. These are smaller than the other ones. They're planted later on. And they're planted from seeds that I collected last year. The other ones outside were from the shop bought bag. So we'll see if these turns out okay or not. And then let's have a look in my guest room. And these in the front here are sweet peppers. And they're not going outside, that would be too cold for them, but they're going on the balcony when it gets a bit warmer. And then we have some more apple trees, which I also did have on the balcony, but the leaves are sort of starting to turn autumn colorish, so I think maybe they're thinking it's autumn, which is not such a big surprise. So I put them inside again. We'll see if that helps. And in here I have the rhubarbs, and then I have some sunflowers in the back and some more cabbage. It's a different type of cabbage. It's like a white standard head. And yeah, the other pot here is waiting to see. Nothing yet. Yeah, that's about it. And thanks for watching.